So basically guys, I will be erasing this iPhone 6. So this is how you come and erase the whole thing. So before I erase it, here is the update. 64 gigabytes, the remaining 15. So I'm gonna erase the whole thing so that I don't see no applications, everything. So all we're gonna do right now is go to settings and come to the settings, general, scroll down, you transfer all, reset iPhone, yeah, erase all content and settings, yes. So this is what you choose. So this is basically what I have right now, so the apps and the data. So I'm gonna go continue, put my passcode, erase iPhone, so basically guys, I back up everything to my iCloud. So I don't know what really just happened. You brought the passcode. Yo. I don't know what's going on, but attempting the recovery. What's this all about? Like, I don't understand. Is it supposed to be like this? I'm literally confused, man. This is my first time now. What's that? That is my first time, bro. I never seen nothing like this. Like, yo, this is crazy. I've never seen nothing like this before. What's happening? What's wrong, boy? What's all of this all about? I don't understand though. Like I basically don't understand what's this all about. I'm gonna get back right to y'all. I don't understand what it's all about this though. Come on now. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, please. Stop slowing down. Let's get it. It's over there. Let's get it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna edit the whole thing because I feel like this is a role. Like a lot of people, they be editing the good stuff, the bad stuff, cutting out the bad stuff. Like I get it. Like I know most people don't like watching long videos, so I'm gonna try my best to make sure I keep this clip rolling to the end. Like I'm gonna just make it go faster. Yes, I'm not gonna cut nothing because I feel like it's not good to do that. Like sometimes you gotta show people the raw thing. Like sometimes you gotta show people the raw thing, the real thing. A lot of people wanna cut the whole thing. They wanna edit the whole thing. You wanna skip some parts. It's not fair. You gotta show the whole thing. Let's go. Let's get this. Let's get it. Yeah, so come on, what's this again? What is this again? Bruh. what's this again? What is this again, please? What is this? Holy crap, what's this? They put my passcode. I thought it was the whole thing now. Yo, what's this? No way. You see that? You see that? I erased the whole thing, like. Bro, on camera, I erased the whole phone on camera. You see that? That's my second time. I erased the whole thing on camera. It came back. That's a lie. That's a lie. I erased the whole thing on camera. Oh Lord. I didn't even skip anything though. I erased the whole phone on camera. That's crazy. Yo. Come on. I erased the whole thing on camera. I don't know what's going on. You better erase the whole phone. Cause yo, what's this? Yo, please, can someone tell me what's happening? Like, the phone cannot erase itself though. Yo, that's wild. That's creepy. Erase everything. That's all settings. I'm talking about erasing the whole phone. Like, the phone can't even erase itself though. Yo, what's this? Jesus Christ. Y'all seen the whole thing on camera. The phone is not erasing though. Oh Lord. Apple, you need to work on this. Apple, you really need to work on this. Like, really, you need to work on this. This is bad. I erased the phone like this. That's the third time. I'm erasing the phone. It's not erasing though. What the heck? This is bad. No, this is bad. Apple, you need to fix something. This is bad. This is little bad. This is little bad. Yo, my iPhone 6 cannot erase itself. That's bad. That's bad. You see? You see? That is definitely bad. I'm not gonna lie, this is creepy though. The whole thing, including Wi-Fi. Oh Lord. What's the update all about? Yeah, I see the whole thing. That's bad. Anyway, I'm out. The whole thing is failing to erase itself. Apple need to help me. How do I erase the phone? Like, this is bad. This is bad. I need some help, Apple. So this is the video for today. Peace. I want some help. Like, this is not on purpose. Yeah, this is not on purpose. Help me out, Apple, please.